So for question number 9, it says, how would you rearrange this equation? How would you rearrange this equation to solve for t? So my goal here is to get t all by itself and all the other stuff on the other side of the equal sign. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start with x sub f, that's the final position, is equal to the initial position plus the velocity times time. And so our goal is to get time completely by itself. So this is really just algebra. The same rules that apply for the numbers apply for the variables that represent the numbers. I want to move things away from the t. So I can move away this, and I can move away the v. Well, anytime you're multiplying something by a variable, that's almost always the last step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move away this x sub 1 or x sub I. This is what I'm moving. And technically, we're adding that x sub I to the t, so I would subtract x sub I. And whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other, right? And so x sub I minus x sub I is just 0, and that just leaves me with a positive v times t on this side. But on the other side of the equation, I don't know, these are two different values, so I just leave them separate like this. I say x sub f minus x sub I. And I just leave it like that. So now the v is being multiplied by t, so if I want to move the v away from the t, I do the opposite of multiplication, which means I would divide. So whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. V divided by v is just 1. 1 times t is just t. So I get t by itself, which is what they asked me to do. And then on the other side of the equation, I have x sub f minus x sub I all over v. And is that this? No, it's got to be subtracted.
No, it's not B.
It's b, right? T is equal to x sub f minus x sub I all over v. Okay?